Did you know certain salads can actually improve reproductive health? Today, we're making a delicious tomato basil salad packed with 4 proven fertility superfoods and the science to back it up.
Ingredient: fresh basil. Contains eugenol, improves blood flow to reproductive organs. Journal of Ethnopharmacology, 2022. Cherry tomatoes. Rich in lycopene, increases sperm motility by 20%. University of Sheffield, 2023. Walnuts. Omega-3s improve sperm membrane integrity. ASRM, 2023. Feta cheese. Calcium-rich for egg maturation. Harvard Fertility Diet Study. Note: use pasteurized feta for safety. Lemon juice. Vitamin C boosts iron absorption, NIH. One tablespoon EVOO. Polyphenol protect egg and sperm DNA. Half a teaspoon black pepper. Piperine enhances nutrient uptake. Basil's essential oils reduce oxidative stress. Pro tip: organic tomatoes have 3 times more lycopene. Why this work? For women. Lycopene, thicker endometrium. Basil regulates cycles. For men. Walnuts, better sperm morphology. Olive oil reduces DNA fragmentation. Try this 3 times per week and tag #fertilitysalad. Want to supercharge your fertility naturally? Don't miss next week's juicy episode where we reveal the top fruits that boost conception odds. Catch up on our entire fertility kitchen series, from breakfast smoothies to hormone balancing dinners. Tap the playlist icon or check the description. If you're on a TTC journey, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. We share new science-backed recipes every Monday to support your fertility goals. Welcome to our growing family. Remember, nutrition complements but doesn't replace medical treatment. Always consult your REI specialist.